Alright, my name's Jed Dickerson. We're out here today at Dixon Lake. We're doing some sight fishing out here with Keeping It Real, Jason and Steve, and I have my guide service if anyone's interested. It's you can get a hold of me at lunkers@cox.net, and we got about a 5 or 6 pound bass down here. We're going to see if we can get it. You getting that on film?
Yeah.
Like rolling around everywhere. A lot of times you want to get it on the bed and you got to sit here for a long time until they get comfortable, and then
Jig it a little bit.
then hopefully once they get comfortable you jig it, then they freak out and attack it. See how she turned colors? She was bright green, now she's turning dark.
Watching it through the viewfinder, just got it.
Here we go. Little Dixon Lake female bass here. Get him, jumper.
Right on.
Got it.
Yeah, hold them up.
Yeah, little Dixon Lake.
Who's this?
This guy in here. Dang it,
The little one.
Yeah. Dang it. That's horrible. Disappointing. We thought it was her.